60 statute miles over northern Mongolia. And the Progress hooks are now driving open right on command. We'll be standing by for physical separation of the Progress vehicle that is located on the right side of your screen as the International Space Station passes into darkness. This view now from an external television camera on the Progress vehicle. You're looking at the docking target on the Pirs docking compartment, which was first launched to the International Space Station back on September 2001. Standing by for physical separation of the two vehicles, and undocking now confirmed right on time at 8:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time, 9:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Eastern Time. Progress 54 is away. Slowly backing away at a rate of about 1/10 of a meter per second. This drift rate will continue for the next 3 minutes until a separation burn of 15 seconds in duration is automatically commanded to increase the departure rate by the Progress 54. By the end of the day, it will wind up a safe distance away from the International Space Station, where Russian flight controllers will initiate about a week and a half's worth of thruster burn characterizations using ground radar equipment in an engineering test before the Progress is disposed of and deorbited on April 18th. Here in the flight control room, the visiting vehicle officer, Richard Parker, reports to Flight Director Emily Nelson that the Progress regained its orientation control right on schedule as it backed away from the International Space Station. So far, so good, as the Progress departs the International Outpost that had been its home for the past 2 months. Once again, the undocking occurring at 8:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time as the International Space Station and the Progress 54 resupply craft, now loaded with trash, flew 260 statute miles over northern Mongolia. This cross-aired engineering view, very familiar to viewers of Russian operations at the International Space Station here on NASA television. And right on schedule, the Progress thrusters are now firing 15-second automated burn to increase the separation rate between itself and the International Space Station.
Moscow Station on SG-1. Go ahead. The docking mechanism has been inspected, no issues. We have taken photo imagery and placed it on OCA.
Хорошо, Миш, принято.
Excellent, Misha. Copy.
Готов по вашему указанию.
I am prepared to proceed with closing the hatch. On your go. Stand by. We will provide a go momentarily.
Russian cosmonaut Mikhail Tyurin talking to flight controllers at the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov as the ISS Progress 54 quickly departs the neighborhood of the International Space Station. Tyurin reporting that camera views that he was monitoring in the Zvezda service module indicated a clean Pirs docking port, which is good news since that will be the port of call for the ISS Progress 55 resupply ship upon its arrival at the International Space Station on Wednesday afternoon.
In Moscow, Moscow Station on SG-1. Go ahead. The KVD valve is closed. Also, Misha, we have another request. Regarding
содержимое папки Казан, кардиограмма 51.7.
Anyhow, the content of the Kazan.
This is Mission Control Houston. Just to recap, the ISS Progress 54 is on its way, having undocked from the International Space Station a few minutes ago at 8:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time, 9:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Eastern Time, as the International Space Station flew 260 statute miles over northern Mongolia. Just 3 minutes after physical separation of the Progress from the station, the Progress executed a separation burn of 15 seconds in duration and automated thruster firing to increase its separation rate. It will continue to drift away to a safe distance away from the International Space Station, where Russian engineers will begin a week and a half worth of so-called radar tests, characterization tests of the Progress thrusters to gather engineering information on their operation and the radar system on the ground, its operation in picking up those thruster firings. The plan is for the Progress, now loaded with trash, to be deorbited on the morning of April 18th, Friday, April 18th, to plunge back into the Earth's atmosphere and burn up over the Pacific